Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Samoyed Studios. Today we're going to create an Elsa or Samoyed inspired ornament. But first, let's start with the featuring from Elsa. Hey Elsa, mommy's going to turn you into an ornament. I'm going to make a twin of you, and what that means is brushing time! Elsa hates brushing, by the way, but her fur has been shedding and she needs a good brushing. So here we go, let's get started. She's actually such a great sport. As you can see, she just flopped down. But the amount of fur that comes out is immense. Ta-da! As you can see, we have a lot of fur, and let's put those fur magics to some use. Similar to the Spider-Man ornament, we're going to start with the plastic ornament, permanent markers, and Elsa's fur magic. You're going to start by opening the ornament and filling it in with the Elsa fluff. I have an infinite supply of Elsa magic, so I'm not going to be stingy and I'm really going to stuff in the ornament. After you have gathered a piece of your pup in the ornament, you're going to now use the permanent markers to decorate the ornament. I found that the more basic it is, the cuter it is. So as you can see, I stuck with the basics. I apologize as my camera was having some trouble focusing. Ta-da! And I think it looks just like her. I think Elsa approves. That's it for Samoyed Studios today, and I hope everyone has a happy holidays with your family and pup.